Happy New Year, everybody. It's that magical time of the year when we bid farewell to the past and welcome the future with open arms. The air is filled with excitement, hope, and a sense of renewal. It's January 1st, 2025, and you know what that means? A fresh start, new resolutions, and of course, a well-deserved break from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Time to relax and recharge. Whether you're spending the day lounging in your pajamas, catching up on your favorite shows, or enjoying a hearty meal with loved ones, today is all about taking it easy. That's right, the US stock market is closed today. No trading, no ringing bells, just a quiet pause in the financial world. The New York Stock Exchange? Closed. NASDAQ? Closed. It's a rare moment of stillness in the heart of the financial district. It's a day for celebration, not trading, a time to reflect on the year gone by and to dream about the possibilities that lie ahead. Now I know some of you are itching to get back in the game. The thrill of the market can be hard to resist, but today, let's focus on something different. But trust me, a day off is good for the soul. Spend time with family, watch some football, play a board game, or simply enjoy the peace and quiet. Maybe catch up on your sleep. You'll thank me later. A well-rested mind is sharper and more focused, ready to tackle the challenges of the new year. The market will be here when you get back, so take this time to recharge, reflect, and rejuvenate. Happy New Year, and here's to a prosperous and fulfilling year ahead. Let's rewind the clock a bit. As we look back on the trading schedule for 2024, it's important to note the key dates and events that shaped the financial markets this year. December 31st, 2024 fell on a Tuesday. This date marked the final trading day of the year, a significant moment for traders and investors alike. That means we had a full trading day to close out the year. The trading floor was buzzing with activity as everyone was eager to make their final moves. Stocks were rocking and rolling, folks were making moves, and the excitement was palpable. The energy was electric as traders seized their last opportunities to capitalize on market trends. But remember, while the stock market stayed open for the full session on New Year's Eve, the bond market decided to call it an early day. This divergence in schedules is a common practice, reflecting the different dynamics and priorities of these markets. They closed up shop at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. This early closure allowed bond traders to wrap up their activities and prepare for the festivities ahead. Hey, even bond traders need to get a head start on their New Year's celebrations, right? As the clock struck 2, the bond market floor began to empty, and the festive spirit took over. It was a fitting end to a dynamic year in the financial markets. All right, everyone, the party's over. It's January 2nd, 2025, and it's back to business as usual. The stock market is open, and we're ready to ring in the new year with some serious trading action. Whether you're buying, selling, or just holding tight, remember to stay informed and make smart decisions. The market can be a wild ride, but with a little bit of knowledge and a lot of guts, you can come out on top. Section 4. Looking ahead, the next market holiday. Now I know what you're thinking. Jim, when's the next time we get a break from this market madness? Well, mark your calendars, folks, because the next U.S. market closure is just around the corner. That's right, on January 9th, 2025, we'll be observing a National Day of Mourning for former President Jimmy Carter. It's a somber occasion, but an important one nonetheless. So take some time to reflect and remember a great American leader. Section 5. Dabbling in Delhi Indian markets on New Year's Day. Now let's take a quick trip across the globe to India. While we were busy popping champagne and making resolutions, the Indian stock markets were open for business on New Year's Day. That's right, the Bombay Stock Exchange and the National Stock Exchange of India don't observe New Year's Day as a holiday. They follow their own unique calendar, with 14 holidays throughout the year. So if you're looking for some international trading action, India is the place to be. Section 6. Around the world global market closures. Speaking of international markets, most major global exchanges were closed on January 1st, 2025. This is a common practice as many countries observe New Year's Day as a public holiday. It's a time for reflection, celebration, and preparation for the year ahead. The closure of these markets provides a brief respite for traders and investors alike. The London Stock Exchange, closed. This historic exchange, one of the oldest in the world, takes a break to mark the beginning of the new year. It's a moment of pause in the bustling financial hub of London. The Tokyo Stock Exchange, closed. In the heart of Japan's capital, this exchange also observes the holiday, giving traders a chance to recharge and strategize for the upcoming year. The Frankfurt Stock Exchange, you guessed it, closed. Germany's primary exchange takes this time to reflect on the past year's performance and plan for future opportunities. This means that global market influence on the Indian stock markets was likely muted on New Year's Day. With major players like London, Tokyo, and Frankfurt on a break, the Indian markets experienced a rare moment of calm. But hey, that's just part of the game. The financial world is a dynamic and ever-changing landscape. Traders and investors must always be ready to adapt to these pauses and shifts. The global economy never sleeps, but it does take a break every now and then. These closures are essential for maintaining the health and efficiency of the markets. They allow for necessary maintenance, updates, and a moment of rest for those who keep the financial world turning. So there you have it, folks. A quick rundown of the stock market's holiday schedule. It's important to be aware of these dates, as they can impact trading strategies and market movements. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a casual investor, it's always good to stay informed. Knowledge of market closures can help you plan your investments more effectively and avoid any surprises. Now get out there and make some money. With the right information and a bit of strategy, you can navigate the financial markets with confidence and success.